As a beginner or as a researcher, and after doing your CFA, you think that you need to check for composite reliability. We know comeback alpha is what we use, but in structural equation modeling, we are using another measure to check for that. So that is pretty easy in JASP. We need to check in a plugin called reliability. So you quickly click here, locate its reliability, select, and it appears here. By default, these items seem to show, but other items like summary statistics can only be added by clicking on the plus arrow. So after doing that, you click on reliability. After reliability, since we are more focused on the frequencies approach, this is a Bayesian approach, and we are dealing with frequencies. So we click on the classical unidimensional reliability. So once you click on that, you have an interface like this. So simply select all the items you have, your final items after doing your CFA. So for mine, I will just go with all the items since I want a better understanding of the process. So if maybe I have 7, I will quickly select the 7. If I have 9, select, but I'm going with the 11. So I'll just click on ATT1, hold my shift, click on the last item. So you can drag into this box, or you can also do it this way. Select, and you click on this. This is what you see. So you click on here, the McDonald's W or McDonald's is what we use for the composite reliability. So if you want to get composite reliability of your tool or scale, you should check in the McDonald's. So however, if you want to check on maybe the comeback alpha to see how similar the estimates are, you can also click on this. You see barely they are just the same. So this means that you can go, so it depends on your own approach. You can decide to go with either the comeback alpha or the McDonald's, but I will advise that you go with the McDonald's because there are instances where you have the estimates to be, although they will be closer, but they will vary. So in structural equation modeling with composite reliability, we go with the McDonald's. So that is all about performance. So there are other things here which you see we have McDonald's W estimation CFA. So this means that it's appropriate to use that measure